In this video, I am going to show you how to assemble the computer you received from TechFIN. This video is specifically for those of you who received a computer that connects to the monitor using a DisplayPort to DVI adapter. We'll start with connecting the monitor. First, take the stand and make sure these two metal pieces are pointed upwards. Then take the monitor and align the square on the back of the monitor to the square on the stand. Gently place it in and then secure the bottom until you hear a click. Most of the monitors can move up and down, tilt forward and back, and some of them can even rotate. I'd like to point out that the computers TechFIN gives away are all donated by different companies, so they all may be a little bit different. If your computer and monitor don't look exactly like the one in this video, that's okay. It will be similar enough and you can still follow along. If you ever need to remove the monitor from the stand, there is a button on the back of the monitor that you must press and hold before you can remove it. Now we are going to connect the computer tower to the monitor, but first you need to determine which type of tower you have. The one on the right has the ports we need in an expansion slot as well as at the top. If you have this type of tower, then you must use one of the ports in the expansion slot. If you try to use a port at the top, the monitor will not work. The tower on the left only has the ports we need at the top, so go ahead and use one of those ports. We'll continue this video using the tower on the right. We are going to use an adapter and a DVI cable to connect the computer tower to the monitor. Take the adapter and connect the DisplayPort plug into the port, making sure that the correct side is up. You'll know which way is correct by looking at the shape of the plug and matching it to the shape of the port. One thing to remember about most DisplayPort plugs, you cannot unplug them just by pulling. You have to press a button on the side of the plug while you pull it out. Now we're going to connect the DVI cable to the adapter and screw in the screws to secure it. Then connect the other end of the DVI cable to the monitor. How do you know where to connect it? The easiest way is to look at the size and shape of the cable's plug and find a port on the monitor that matches that size and shape. Connect the plug into the port and then screw in the screws to secure it. Don't forget about power for your monitor. Connect this end of the power cord to the monitor and plug the other end into your electrical outlet. Now we will connect the mouse to the computer tower. Locate the USB ports on the back of the tower, then connect the mouse to any of them. It doesn't matter which one. Just make sure the plug is aligned to the port or else it won't go in. Next, plug in the keyboard the same way. It's time to plug in the computer tower. Take the other power cord you received and connect one end of it to the tower and plug the other end into your electrical outlet. If your modem at home came with an Ethernet cable, if you want to, you can plug it into the Ethernet port on the back of the tower to connect your computer to the internet. Otherwise, most TechFIN computers come with a small USB Wi-Fi adapter like the one pictured here. It will already be plugged into one of the USB ports on the tower and will allow you to connect to the internet over Wi-Fi so that you do not need the Ethernet cable. Now that all the cables are connected and the tower and monitor are plugged in, all you have to do is press the power button on the tower and the power button on the monitor to turn them on and get started. Check out the other videos on our YouTube channel if you need help logging in and setting up user profiles. Enjoy your computer!